Kejadian 14, Genesis 40. Pada zaman Amrafel, Raja Sinear, Aryok, Raja Elashar, Kedorlaomer, Raja Elam, dan Tidial, Raja Goyim, terjadilah, and it come to pass in the days of Amrafel king of Sinar, Aryok king of Eleashar, Kedorlaomer king of Elam, and Tidal king of nations, bahwa raja-raja ini berperang melawan Bera, Raja Sodom, Birsa, Raja Gomora, Sinab, Raja Atma, Shemeber, Raja Seboim, dan Raja negeri Bela, yakni negeri Shoar, that this made war with Bera king of Sodom, and with Birsa king of Gomorrah, Sinab kings of Atma, and Shemeber king Seboim, and the king of Bela which is Shoar. Raja-raja yang disebut terakhir ini semuanya bersekutu dan datang ke lembah Sidim, yakni Laut Asin. All these were joined together, and the fall of Sidim, which is the Salt Sea. 12 tahun lamanya mereka takluk kepada Kedorlaomer, tetapi dalam tahun yang ke-13 mereka memberontak. 12 years they served Kedorlaomer, and in the 13 years they rebel. Dalam yang ke-14 datanglah Kedorlaomer serta raja-raja yang bersama-sama dia, lalu mereka mengalahkan orang Refaim di Asteroth Karna, orang Zuzim di Diham, orang Emim di Shuaikataim. And in the 14th years come Kedorlaomer and the kings that were with him, and smote the Rephaim in Ashtaroth Karnaim, and the Susim in Ham, and the Emis is South Kiritaim. Dan orang Hori di pegunungan mereka yang bernama Syair, sampai ke El-Paran di tepi padang gurun, and the Horites in their Mount Seir unto El-Paran, which is by the wilderness. Sesudah itu baliklah mereka dan sampai ke En-Mispat, yakni Kades, dan mengalahkan seluruh daerah orang Amalek dan juga orang Amori yang diam di Haseson Tamar. And they returned and come to En-Mispat, which is Kades, and smote all the country of the Amaleks and also the Amorites, and dwelt in Hasastamar. Lalu keluarlah raja negeri Sodom, raja negeri Gomorrah, raja negeri Atma, raja negeri Seboim, dan raja negeri Bela, yakni negeri Soar, dan mengatur barisan perangnya melawan mereka di lembah Sidim. And there went out the king of Sodom, and the king of Gomorrah, and the king of Atma, and the king of Seboim, and the king of Bela, the same is Soar. And they joined battle with them in the fall of Sidim, melawan Kedorlaomer, Raja Elam, Tidial, Raja Amrafel, Raja Sinear, dan Aryok, Raja Elashar, 4 raja lama, with Kedorlaomer the king of Elam, and with Tidal king of Nation, and Amrafel king of Shinar, and Aryok king of Elashar, 4 king with 5. Di lembah Sidim itu, di mana-mana ada sumur aspal, ketika Raja Sodom dan Raja Gomorrah melarikan diri, jatuhlah mereka ke dalamnya, dan orang-orang yang masih tinggal hidup melarikan diri ke pegunungan. And the fall of Sidim was full of slimpies, and the kings of Sodom and Gomorrah fled and fell there, and they that remained fled to the mountain. Segala harta benda Sodom dan Gomorrah beserta segala bahan makanan dirampas musuh. Lalu mereka pergi, and they took all the goods of Sodom and Gomorrah and all their victuals, and went their way. Juga Lot anak saudara Abram beserta harta bendanya dibawa musuh, lalu mereka pergi sebab Lot itu diam di Sodom. And they took Lot Abram's brother's son, who dwelt in Sodom, and his goods, and depart. Kemudian datanglah seorang pelarian dan menceritakan hal ini kepada Abram, orang Ibrani itu, yang tinggal dekat pohon-pohon tarbantin kepunyaan Mamre, orang Amori itu, saudara Eskol dan Aner, yakni teman-teman sekutu Abram. And there come one that had escaped and told Abram the Hebrew, for he dwelt in the plain of Mamre, the Amorite, brother of Eshcol and brother of Ain, were covenanted with Abram. Ketika Abram mendengar bahwa anak saudaranya tertawan, maka dikerahkannyalah orang-orang yang yakni mereka yang lahir di rumahnya, 318 orang banyaknya, mengejar musuh sampai ke Dan. And when Abram heard that his brother was taken a captive, he armed his trained servant born in his own house, 318, and pushed them unto Dan. Waktu malam berbagilah mereka, ia dan hamba-hambanya itu untuk melawan musuh. Mereka mengalahkan dan mengejar musuh sampai ke Hobah di sebelah utara Damsyik. And he divided himself against them, he and his servant by night, and smote them, and pushed them unto which is on the left hand of Damascus. Dibalah kembali segala harta benda itu, juga Lot anak saudaranya itu, serta hartanya dibawanya kembali, demikian juga perempuan-perempuan dan orang-orangnya. And he brought back all the goods, and also brought again his brother Lot, and his goods, and the woman also, and the people. Setelah Abram kembali dari mengalahkan Kedorlaomer dan para raja yang bersama-sama dengan dia, maka keluarlah Raja Sodom menyongsong dia ke lembah Syawe, yakni lembah raja. And the king of Sodom went out to meet him after his return from the slaughter of Kedorlaomer, and of the kings that were with him at the fells of Saphe, which is the king's dell. Melkisedek Raja Salem membawa roti dan anggur. Ia seorang imam Allah yang maha tinggi. And Melkisedek king of Salem broke forth bread and wine, and he was the priest of the Most High God. Lalu ia memberkati Abram, katanya, diberkatilah kiranya Abram oleh Allah yang maha tinggi, pencipta langit dan bumi. And he blessed him and said, Blessed be Abram of the Most High God, possessor of heaven and earth. Dan terpujilah Allah yang maha tinggi yang telah menyerahkan musuhmu ke tanganmu. Lalu Abram memberikan kepadanya 1/10 dari semuanya. And blessed be the Most High God, which that delivered 10 enemies into thy hands, and he gave him tithes of all. Berkatalah Raja Sodom itu kepada Abram, berikanlah kepadaku orang-orang itu dan ambillah untukmu harta benda itu. And the king of Sodom said unto Abram, Give me the person and take the goods to thyself. Tetapi kata Abram kepada raja negeri Sodom itu, Aku bersumpah demi Tuhan Allah yang maha tinggi, pencipta langit dan bumi. And Abram said to the king of Sodom, I have left up mine hand unto the Lord, the Most High God, the process of heaven and earth. Aku tidak akan mengambil apa-apa dari kepunyaanmu itu, sepotong benang atau tali kasut pun tidak, supaya engkau jangan dapat berkata, Aku telah membuat Abram menjadi kaya, that I will not take from a just even to a scald, and that I will not take anything that is thine, lest thou shouldest say, I have made Abraham rich. Kalau aku jangan sekali-kali hanya apa yang telah dimakan oleh bujang-bujang ini, dan juga bagian orang-orang yang pergi bersama-sama dengan aku, yakni Aner, Eskol, dan Mamre. Biarlah mereka itu mengambil bagiannya masing-masing, save only that which the young men have eaten, and the portion of the man which went with me. Honor Eskol and Amre, let them take their portion.